Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can hide a comment on your Instagram post. Alright guys, here I have already opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we have to do is going to our profile menu on Instagram. So just tap on the profile button right here, and then you can select your post that you want to hide the comment, and I'm gonna go with this post. Tap on the post and you can go to the comment section. Tap on the comment section right here, and then you can select the comment you want to hide from your post. And for example, I'm going to hide this comment, so we just need to click on hide right here. Okay, and now the comment has been hidden, and that's how we can hide a comment on our Instagram posts. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.